Alright guys, in today's episode we're going to be planting our new seedlings, teaching you some of the spacing requirements, and I've got a great help here in Amanda.
Yeah.
She's walked into the greenhouse, she's come out, it's a windy day outside guys, but she's decided she's coming here in a snow gear.
He said it's pretty hot in here, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to take a few layers off, let's see.
Well,
half your luck, right? Are the kids around?
I think we can take the layers off. We're definitely going to need to take the layers off because it's quite hot in here. I've just got a thin long sleeve shirt on. But,
yeah. But I'm the one doing all the work.
I think Amanda's
so
overdressed. She is going to be doing all the work because I'm going to be filming today.
I'm just holding the bush.
That's it.
That's my job.
I'll hold it.
Okay, there you go.
Alright, so we're going to start off with tomato plants, guys. And as you'll see here, little tomato plants. There are spacing requirements for tomato plants. They're quite large. They're 50 centimetres. So that's about 1.5 foot over there in US terms. So, alright, Amanda.
So what do I do?
Alright, first of all, you need to take those little suckers
out. Okay.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Good save.
Oh, God. Alright.
Do I take just one stem at a time?
There you go. You tip it upside down.
Yeah, I did tip it upside down.
Sure your spacing's right. Tip it up, not like that though. Jesus!
Yeah.
Hang on. Yeah.
Fuck me dead, I'm not a bloody gardener.
You're trying to be. Put your fingers across like that.
Yeah.
That's it. Tip it upside down. There you go. There you go. Just lay it down
and
flat.
Then what am I supposed to do?
Lay it down flat on the ground so as though we don't blow it to bits.
You said lay it down flat on the ground, not just place them on the soil.
I reckon if I'd have said to her, hey, can you go and get your skis and your snowboard, she would have been sweet.
I could.
Alright. Alright.
I'm
going to have to just step in a little bit here, give her a little bit of a hand, guys.
There you go.
That's a perfect one.
See, I told you.
That's perfect.
Fine.
Alright, you've done well.
Okay.
Alright, so we want to come up the back here. We want to stick our fingers in here like this.
Oh.
Do
Am I
that.
supposed to walk on this part?
Yeah, this is 20% organic.
Soft.
It is soft. 20% organic, 80% soil mix.
Is that what I do?
That's it.
And then go like this.
Gently, that's right.
And then do I push like that?
Yeah, just put it on nice and loose around it. There we go.
Oh,
sorry.
So you smashed it.
I like to be a little bit rough around the edges.
Oh.
All
Voila!
right. And we're going to go along and we're going to do that in a line.
How many of those do I have to do?
Well, we've got 1, 2, about 10 or 12 there. So we'll do that in a line along here. Probably only get 4 or 5 along there.
Do I have to measure? Or is it like I can just...
You don't have to measure. You can just do it roughly every 50 centimetres. Do them a little bit closer just in case we have a fatality rate.
About here.
That'll do. That's a good one. Like an Eskimo. So you're actually meant to separate. See that? That's 2 that you've put in there, Dale. That's all right. Oh, Jesus. Wow, these are going to have to be...
I cannot separate that.
I tell you what, guys.
Are you kidding me?
I tell you what. If these plants survive after the rough treatment that we're putting in today, you know that you can't muck this up at home. So we'll follow this little plant on its journey because I think it could end up wilting and it could end up being compost in the next pile.
People have seen me cook, right?
Yeah.
It always works out in the end.
We definitely get there. Amanda will be out tipping wine on them. She's going to hopefully grow a little wine bottle in there. All right.
All right, so, okay, I've learnt now. I just need one.
That's it. That's good. So you slowly break out the roots.
Well, is that what you want?
Yeah, that's good.
One.
Yeah, well, just do it nice and gently.
That's going to grow terrible.
I'm loving. Show us the fingering technique.
Oh, just one. It's a single.
God.
Look at that. That's not going to... Oh my gosh.
Jeez, mate. I tell you what,
The gardening's not my thing.
gardening's not Amanda's thing, but that's why we're here, guys. This is for gardening for beginners like you guys out there. So we're going to show you that the spacing's important. We're also going to show you that it doesn't matter how rough you are with these little suckers because the survival rate should be about 80–90%. All right, so Amanda's finished planting the back row of tomatoes. And
I've got the gear off.
she's taken the top off. She's realised that it actually does get quite hot out here in this greenhouse, even though it's freezing outside. So what are we up to next? You want garlic, onion, eggplant? Maybe the eggplant.
You didn't tell me we were going to plant garlic in here, Dom.
Garlic.
That wasn't discussed.
Garlic. We're definitely going garlic. We cook with garlic all the time.
You wee bloody.
Actually, Amanda wants to start cooking again, guys. So leave a comment down below if you'd like to see Amanda cooking again, maybe over the fire inside.
What do you want me to cook?
What do you want her to cook? What do you want to see her cook?
Don't make it too bloody hard. Maybe 5 ingredients.
Yeah, maybe 4 eggs and some water.
Oh, that's what I did the scrambled eggs the other day. I used water instead of
Scrambled
milk.
eggs with water, that's different, but
Jessie
anyway.
said these eggs taste like shit.
That's
eggs and water would.
All right, we've also got a blueberry plant.
It's a Nelly Kelly.
It's a blueberry Nelly Kelly. And it needs 1 metre width from its little friend.
Oh.
Full sun and part shade.
Why do you do that?
Well, I think the only way to put that one in is probably here.
Right there.
I reckon we put it right there.
I just tip it.
If you've never taken any seedlings out, you're going to give the pot a little bit of a squeeze.
Oh yeah.
Put your fingers across.
Ooh.
Tip it upside down. And you just won.
Sounding a bit juicy.
All right. That was nice and easy.
But some of it's still left in the bottom.
That's all right. That's only soil anyway. We're not going to be worried about that.
Thing than that.
Oh, I didn't dig it. I've left it up for you to dig.
I'm digging.
You can dig it out.
Right.
Can you see the physical prowess? The way she claws at that soil. It's just like that's first-hand nature. She's scratching away. I think Turbo would dig a better hole than that.
I hope so.
I don't think you have to try and jam it. You don't have to jam the seedlings down.
I was just trying to put them down to
Yeah, all right, that's good enough though. Right. As I said, guys, like if any of these survive, we're just going to show you that how easy it is to garden because I'm positive they will. That's beautiful, Dale.
No, look at it.
All right, I think we're going to go with some onions. We're going to want to do it. Oh, would you like carrots?
Yeah.
We're going to go the easy sow method for you guys at home. If you've never seen one of these before, you'll be like us because we haven't either.
What about the carrot plants?
Well, you know what?
Take them out.
Yeah, we can take them out.
They're cute.
Here's one. I don't think carrots transplant really well. So you'll just have to... We'll just have to see how the carrots go because everything that I've researched, carrots go better from seed. So the spacing requirements on them.
Do you just pull the carrot out and plant it? Oh.
No. You can't be rough with these ones.
I just feel like, because you can see them, I feel like just pulling it
you need
out.
to do the same process, Doll.
Okay.
Tip it upside down, use your fingers.
Give it a squeeze.
Nice and gentle.
And these ones are really harder to get out. There we go.
Alright, as you can see, we've bought these from the shop.
Look at the little ones. They're cute. What happened?
Nothing. As you can see, this has obviously been in this pot for quite a while, so it's root bound.
Rooted!
It's rooted. Alright, so since the carrot plants are so root bound, there's just no way to separate them without absolutely annihilating them and killing them. So we're just going to plant them up the front here, all as a clump, in one go.
Little family.
That is, the whole family's in there. I'm going to roll out this easy sew tape.
The what?
This one, the easy sew tape. I reckon we roll it out that way. It's already exactly measured, marked, spaced.
What do you mean by roll it out? Well, it's tape.
It's tape.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool.
It is cool. God, that's really, really cool. So these are meant to be 30... Wow! That's
Look at that.
You could get in a lot of trouble with that bandage. That's an amazing amount of seed, guys. I'm going to show you a close up of this.
Do I have to break it in half?
Yeah, well you could actually. You wouldn't need
I
to
reckon
because
you
it's
should.
2 rolls. See this?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. All right.
Always want to be a cheerleader.
Yeah, well here's your chance.
Yep.
Seed tape, 5 metre roll.
That's about all I'm going to get.
So obviously get 2.5 metres in each roll. We don't need that. We just want to run 1 strip across the front.
What do I have to do? Dig in?
No.
Just put on top?
So we want 1/4 inch, guys. We want to put
That
this
could mean
down.
anything, Dal.
Yeah, well.
You've got to explain.
Okay, well from there, lower it, run it all the way along there.
Which side do I do up?
I don't think it matters. That's it. Run it out nice. Watch
It's
your,
going to be too long.
watch your
I'll just
stem.
rip it off.
That's what I was saying. Just take it to the end there.
Yep.
Did you rip it off?
No, not yet. And then do I just rip it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now while it's on top, place another one 30 centimetres apart. We'll go 2 rows of carrots in here for you guys. That looks pretty good. Alright. Do you want to finish off that row with a bit more of that tape? We'll get that done. That was a quick check measure. Alright, now since we're only going with 1/4 inch of soil, 1/4 inch, 6 millimetres of soil. This should be the easiest way you've ever had to plant anything. Alright, so it's going to look like, boys are going to come out here and think that we haven't planted all the seedlings, so we're going to have to tell them that's what we've done. And got a little surprise for you later on with these little cherry tomatoes. I'm going to show you how I transplant these. They're going to grow heaps good over the next 10 days. Here's Jack and the beanstalk.
Okay, I'll do beans.
Beans are a little bit different, guys. Broad beans. Spacing requirements. It's 15 to 20
Do
centimetres.
I just do one each? What's all those things?
They're the beans.
Oh.
See how the beans, see how their seeds of the beans, they break out? Look, they grow little root balls there.
Oh.
So yeah, we really want to protect this species.
Then should you be giving it to me?
Tip it upside down, give the little container a little squeezy.
I did.
It's funny how you like to do it 4 feet off the ground all the time.
Just like my cooking.
Chuck it in.
Ooh.
Oh, she
some
roots. She's root bound. Well,
Alrighty, just to make
we want to try, you know, if you can't get really root bound plants apart, there is a way that you can soak it in water and just gently let those roots pull apart. But we're going to let Amanda be, no, not by the stems, Dal, not by the stems. Oh shit! That's the first one that's dead. That's the
How
first
else is
one.
he supposed to? It's not. Look, I
Hang
can
on.
get it.
Oh man, that's
Look.
not. They're really
They are.
stuffed, aren't they?
There you go.
All right, you go plant your
Where
beans.
did they go?
I reckon since the survival rate of
Oh,
this
I can't go there.
could be quite
I almost
low.
forgot the carrots were there. Look
That's
at that.
right, Dale.
Lucky you left that there.
I told ya. I knew it. We're going to have to go over in the corner over there near the tomatoes. So we'll run down.
Well,
We can only just go there.
let's not follow the room.
Yeah,
Is it?
get in there.
Is that supposed to just go?
Oh, jeez. Yep, that'll do. Oh my god, man. If this plant survives again, we'll show you how easy gardening can be. Now, beans get quite big too, guys. They need strapping. They need strapping too. Oh. Just push me over so you can get out there. Is that all right?
Yep.
That's all right. All right. Well, we're left with this. Now this is quite a tangled mess. Quite a tangled mess we have indeed. But
Why don't you just plant them all together?
I'm actually going to perform some surgery. There we go. Look at that. So gentle. So gentle, Dale.
Yeah, well, I don't do things gentle.
It might make a difference to this thing's life though. These two are Siamese twins, so they're going to stay together. All right, now what you'll want to do, guys, is you want to have your hose on a really low, soft setting. Make sure that the soil is really well watered so it saturates through you, it doesn't cause any damage. Follow your little seed tape. Alright guys, if this is the first time you've ever come to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. We appreciate that very much. You guys are awesome. And we'll see you on our next planting of the second garden bed.
What? What's a garden bed?
Garden bed.
What am I planting next? Am I allowed back in here now?
You're allowed back. We're going to
do a good job?
Yeah, in the next one, we're going to be planting a lot of the herbs, or maybe they're called herbs in different parts of the world.
Okay. Herbs.
Herbs. We're also going to be planting onions. We're also going to be planting spring onions.
Why are you getting so excited about onions? Like seriously.
I like onions.
Look at you.